The Heyman Center and the Heyman Scholars Program are here to function as a hub for innovation in business law, corporate law, really anything related to corporate governance. We're looking to bring students together, but also scholars, attorneys, judges, business people, to create community and really understand what's going on in the world of corporate law. I think what makes the Heyman Center and the Heyman Scholars Program so unique and excellent really is our unique community that we're creating. We're not only in the heart of New York City, but we have an extremely robust alumni network. We have excellent, interested, motivated students who are always looking to learn more about the cutting edge issues in our field. So at the end of the day, when you're a Heyman Scholar, you enter a community of intellectually curious, motivated, and driven people. The feedback I'm getting from alums of the program is that they really enjoyed staying in touch. They really enjoyed not just the immediate, oh, I'm helping you with your cover letter and we're getting you an externship, but the community that's created through the program, you're not alone, you're among folks who have the same interests and you're pursuing similar careers, adjacent careers. You can encourage each other, you can help out. Just walking the path together, I think, is really meaningful to people. The Heyman Center is here to create opportunities. We're looking to give students the tools to pursue their own paths. And we're doing that in many different ways, but some of the pillars of our program are public events. We're inviting leaders in the field, attorneys, judges, business people, to come and talk to our students in panel discussions, presentations, lunches, so that our students can learn from them intellectually. They can learn about the material, they can learn about their career paths, but they can also then interact with them, ask them questions, one-on-one tips, make those connections, and even if perhaps you're not going to end up working for that specific judge or firm, maybe they know somebody, and maybe somebody who knows somebody else connects you with someone. That's sort of one of the pillars. The other is that we're helping folks with their application materials. The door is always open. I always tell students to come talk to me, and I can help them tailor their resumes. I can help them tailor their cover letters, but also their general application approach, their interview strategy to whatever they want to do. And then lastly, there is also great mentorship opportunities. We try to focus on mentoring both among the students, 3Ls, 1Ls. It's always good to have a friend at the law school, but also 3Ls and alums of the program. You always want to have somebody out in the real world who can help you gain an extra perspective in addition to academia. We're always looking for partners to place students for internships, externships, projects that'll help them gain skills, make connections, and develop their curiosity about the field that they've chosen. But we're also partnering with Cardozo's many excellent clinical programs. Cardozo has a very robust collection of clinical programs, externships, and solid connections for students to succeed everywhere. Our student organizations at Cardozo are extremely diverse and very active. We have, specifically aligning with the Heyman Center, I would say the Business Law Society. At the Heyman Center, we are working with all our student organizations, including the various affinity groups, to make sure that all students are included and we're opening doors for everybody. We're also looking to promote and get our students engaged in extracurricular activities like the Securities Arbitration Clinic or iTrans, the Intensive Transactional Lawyering Program, which is a 2-week seminar that happens every January at Cardozo Law. The Heyman Center's programming is always focused on cutting-edge issues. We're always analyzing what is the Supreme Court doing, what is happening at the Department of Justice, what is happening with the FTC. And we're putting on events about the Supreme Court overturning Chevron, its impact not just on administrative law theory, but also very practically, what are corporations, businesses going to take away from this? Are they going to challenge agency decisions in the future? Are they going to adjust their own approaches, even prior to any litigation? We're putting on events about antitrust enforcement and how that is changing from administration to administration. It's quite a diverse range of topics that we're looking at. The Heyman Scholars Program offers many unique opportunities for students selected for the program to engage with attorneys and intellectual and career prospects in corporate law. We're every year selecting students through a competitive process where around 25% of the students are admitted into the program, and they get exclusive access to lunches with alums and other attorneys where we bring folks in a more intimate setting, grab some food, sit down and ask some questions in a very interactive way that not every other student can easily access. We're providing exclusive mentorship opportunities where we will pair students up, specifically the 3 Ls, with alums from the last 5 years in their field of interest, so that students will have somebody to turn to for practical tips, for questions, for help with networking. We're really looking to set students up for success. For the most part, the program consists of creating opportunities for students to step up and take and make the most of their law school career and then their career as attorneys.